Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you the concept of stack, push and pop operations. What is the concept of stack? A stack is a linear list where insertions and deletions are allowed at only one end called the top end. As you can see in this image, you can perform the push operation, that is insert an element, and the pop operation, that is delete an element, only from one end, which is called the top end. I will explain you this in detail with the help of an example. Let us take an example of some oranges. I will insert the first orange at the first position. So the first orange is the topmost orange. Now when I want to insert the second orange, I will have to insert it above the first orange. So now the second orange becomes the topmost orange. Now I have to insert the third orange. I will insert it above the second orange. So I have inserted the third orange, which now becomes the topmost orange. This is the concept of push operation, that is insertion on a stack. Now we move on to the pop operation, that is the deletion operations. As you can see in the image, the third orange is the topmost orange. When I delete, then I will have to delete the third, that is the topmost orange first. Now the second orange becomes the topmost orange. So when I delete it, then the first orange becomes the topmost orange. Now again deleting the topmost orange, that is the first orange, will result in an empty stack. This is the concept of popping, that is deletion in a stack. We now move on to solving certain problems related to these concepts. The first one is to find out the reverse of a string. The question is to find out the reverse of the string FDP using the concept of stack. What we have to do is to perform push and pop operations using stack and find out the reverse of this string. Let us start. The first element in the stack is F. So we insert it at the first position in the stack. F is the topmost element. Now the next element is D. We insert it above F. So now D becomes the topmost element. The next element is P and we have to insert P above D. So P now becomes the topmost element. These are the push operations on the stack. We have to now perform deletion, that is pop operations on the stack. As you know that P is the topmost element, so we will delete P first. Now D becomes the topmost element, so we will delete D. And now F becomes the topmost element, so we will delete F. As you can see that we have gained a particular reverse of the string. So you can see that the original string was FDP and now the reverse of that string is PDF. We now move on to the next problem solving, that is palindrome checking. What is a palindrome? A palindrome is any word, phrase or sentence that reads the same backward as well as forward. The question is to check if the string madam is palindrome or not. Let us now begin with the push operations. The first one, as you can see, is M, the first element. I will insert M in the empty stack. M is the topmost element. The next element is A. So I will insert A above M. So A becomes the topmost element. The next one is D. Let us see the insertions. D now becomes the topmost element. The next one is A. I will insert A above D. A now becomes the topmost element and the last element is M. I will insert M above A. As you can see, M becomes the topmost element now. These are the push operations on the stack. Let us now move on to the pop operations on the stack. As you know, popping can be done also from the topmost element. Here M is the topmost element, so we delete M first. The next topmost element is now A, so we delete A. After deleting M and A, D becomes the topmost element, so we will delete D. Now A becomes the topmost element, so we will delete A. And lastly, the last element in the list is M, which becomes the topmost element, so we will delete M again. As you can see that the original string is madam and the reversed string which we have got because of the pop operations is also madam. That means the original string and the reversed string are the same. So you can see that the string madam is a palindrome. So the concept is clear. If the original string and the reversed string is same, then it's a palindrome. If the original string and the reversed string is not the same, then it's not a palindrome. I hope you have understood these concepts clearly. Thank you for watching this video.